Phylum Nematoda. The word nematoda is of Greek origin, which means thread. Nematodes are also called roundworms. A nematode, the body is long and cylindrical, tapering at both ends. They are bilaterally symmetrical and are triploblastic. They are pseudocoelomate. For example, the body cavity is not a true coelom. The body is non-segmented. Nematodes do not have any cilia on their body. A hard layer of cuticle is present on the body for protection. No respiratory or circulatory system is present. The fluid contained in body cavity performs the function of the blood. Alimentary canal is well developed with the anterior opening mouth and posterior opening anus. The excretory system consists of two longitudinal canals on each side, which open on the ventral side by small excretory pore close behind the mouth. Nervous system consists of nerve rings which encircles the pharynx and sends its branches in different parts of body. The nematodes, the muscles are arranged in four longitudinal bands. Circular muscles are not present in these worms, therefore they show specific type of whipping movements. Sexes are generally separate. Males are smaller than females, or a regeneration is absent. In male, the testis is long, coiled thread with a seminal vesicle, which posteriorly opens into rectum by a short ejaculatory duct. Female reproductive organs are a pair of very much coiled ovaries passing into uterus and two uteri unite posteriorly forming vagina, which on the ventral surface is the female genital aperture situated in the middle line. The most common animal of this phylum is Ascaris lumbricoides. It is endoparasite in small intestine of man. It lives freely in lumen cavity of the small intestine. The body is elongated, cylindrical, and tapering on both ends. Sexes are separate. Female is 18 to 16 inches long, 6 to 12 inches in length. The anterior part of both male and female is similar, that is pointed, but the posterior part of the male ascaris is curved with two spine-like structures called pineal setae. In female, the posterior end is not sharply pointed. Anterobius vermicularis is another human parasite commonly known as pinworm, and mostly parasitizes children, which ingest its eggs with soil or in some other ways. It lives in cecum, colon, and appendix of its host. It causes severe itching of the anus, inflammation of mucous membrane of colon and appendix. This results in sleeplessness, insomnia, and loss of appetite. Nematodes are found everywhere in fish and salt water, in soil, etc. A lump of soil may contain thousands of nematodes. Many of them are free living, but some are parasitic on plants and animals, including man. These parasites form cause great economic losses in terms of expenditure. Insect web crop destruction, free-living soil nematode decompose organic matter and play a major role in soil fertilization. Nematodes are an important part of most food chains and food webs are economically, therefore they are very economically important. Phylum Mollusca. The name of the phylum has been originated from a Latin word mollusks, which means soft. Hence, animals in this phylum have soft bodies which are mostly protected by calcareous shells. This is second largest phylum of invertebrates, having more than 80,000 species. In addition, 35,000 fossil forms are reported. General characters of mollusks are following. They are soft-bodied, triploblastic animals possessing bilateral symmetry. They are most of them are protected by shell of calcium carbonate CSU3 secreted by mantle. The shell may be in one piece or two pieces. In some mollusks, the shell may be internal, reduced, or totally absent. The body can be differentiated into a head, a dorsal visceral hump, and a ventral muscular foot. The body is covered by a tough fleshly membrane called mantle, which also secretes shell. A space between the body and mantle is called mantle cavity, in which kidneys and anus open. They respire through gills present in mantle cavity. They have a rasping tongue called radula. The digestive system is well developed. The body cavity as hemocoel blood vascular system consists of single heart with one ventricle and two auricle, arteries, veins, and hemocoelic chambers. The nervous system consists of three pairs of orange colored ganglia connected by narrow cords. Nerve arises from these ganglia and enter different organs of the body. Sexes are generally separate. Testes are white and ovaries are of reddish color. Fertilization is external. Development is either direct or a larva is formed called Clostridium larva. Animals of this phylum are economically very important. They are mostly marine, but many mollusks live in freshwater or even in terrestrial environment. Shells of mollusks are used as ornament and are also used to make decoration pieces. The pearl found by the marine mussel is used in jewelry. Octopus and cuttlefish and large-sized mussels are eaten as delicacy in many countries of the world. Common examples of this phylum are garter snail, slug, freshwater mussel, marine mussel, oyster, which makes pearl, squid, cuttlefish, Xenalis, and octopus. In certain mollusks like octopus and cuttlefish, a blue-colored respiratory pigment, hemocyanin, is present. The blue color of the pigment is due to the presence of copper molecule and iron in hemoglobin. Hemocyanin can transport three times more oxygen as compared to hemoglobin.